Now that we know about upper bounds and maxima, let's think about why the maximum of a set is such a useful thing to know. It's a simple one number summary of where the set is, and there's no gap between the maximum and the set. You think of that as making it a very accurate summary of where the set is, but the unfortunate fact is that some sets have no maximum. In this particular example, the interval from 0 to 1, you can get closer and closer to the right edge of the set. You could pick 0.9, you could pick 0.99, and so on. None of these is a maximum because there's always an element of the set that's bigger. So that makes them not upper bounds. Now you could approach it from the other direction and take 1.1, 1.01. You could even take 1, but then you do not have a maximum because it's not in the set. Even though 1 is not in the set, it still has that feature that there's no space between the number 1 and the interval from 0 to 1. So even though the number 1 is not a maximum, it's still the best upper bound in this particular example. And this is why we define the notion of a supremum. The supremum is like the maximum in that it is the best upper bound even when the maximum doesn't exist.